Yes, hello guys, welcome to this our wonderful video of today. So today again we are into our banana and plantain plantation. In this video I want to teach you something about using fertilizer, which type of fertilizer are you supposed to use in your farm, and to make you to understand the different type of fertilizer and their use. So this is my farm today. So here you can see my crops are doing well. You can see everywhere they have all bell. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you the importance of fertilizer and type of fertilizer. You can see my farm, I have just do some cleaning, and you see that my farm is somehow clean looking. Under the sucker I have do cleaning, I have clear under most of my sucker. So in today's video I want to take you to show you various type of fertilizer and how to use it. So yeah, this is what I will be talking about today. So yeah, we can see there are many type of fertilizer here. So yeah, you come here, these are some of the things that you should be using in your farm if you want to have a very heavy fruit. If you want your plantains or bananas to bear very healthily, then you will use this combination that I'm teaching you today. So yeah, this is wood ash. This is wood ash, and we use this one because it gives calcium to our plants, and it also helps to to increase the yield, help in flower production, and give good stability to the plant. That is treating the plant. That is the use of calcium to our plants. Now we have this fertilizer here. This white one, I hope most of us will know it. This is what we call urea. So this is urea, and this one, this is we call this one NPK, because it is three types of fertilizer that have been mixed together. N stand for nitrogen, P stand for potassium, and K stand for phosphorus. So those are the combination of this NPK, nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. Then here, this is nitrogen. This is concentrated nitrogen. When we talk about urea, we are talking about concentrated nitrogen alone. So now we come here. This is organic. This is organic. This one is urine. This is your urine, urea. So this is urine, this is urea. These two are the same thing. They work the same thing. Urine is nitrogen. You give nitrogen to your plant. So this one, the urine that I have kept for about 4 to 5 months now. You can see that they are having various color. It depends the temperature where you store them. So yeah, this is human urine. This is urea. Urea, you apply urea directly to the plant. So all these three type of fertilizer that we're having here, this 4 type of fertilizer, they don't have anything to do with spraying. So this one, these are soil fertilizer that you have to apply it directly to the soil for your plants to get to grow well and grow healthy fruit. So yeah, this is urine, this is urea. This one you go and buy urea in the market, and this is urine. If you want to compare these two products, this urine is more concentrated than this urea. So this urine, as you see, this one, if you want to use this one, you have to dilute it. So this one is more concentrated than this. So instead of you to go to the market to go and buy this, then you and your household can store urine that you can use in your farm for a very long time. So this one, the ratio to mix this this urine is 1:10. That is the ratio is 1:10. That is one of this container can take at least 10 of this filled with water. So this can take 10 of this filled with water. The same thing with all this one. These are all urine. So this one is more concentrated than this. So I prefer you to use urine than using ura. But if you want to do the combination, that is the urine, and this one, that is the potassium, the nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. You can use this one. So this one help to make your plant to grow very healthily, and it also help in the production of there is chlorophyll. It gives chlorophyll to the plants, and it also protect your plants against some diseases. So that is the use of nitrogen. Then we also have phosphorus that also help in the production of fruits. So that is what we are going to use today. So before you want to use any of this thing, any urine, you make sure that you have to dilute it before you want to use, because it is too much concentrated. It has a lot of power, so you have to dilute it before you are using it. Then this one, you can just use them directly under your plant. So before you want to apply any of this, I always prefer that you have to do some clean up in your farm. As you can see, this is what I have done. This is my farm. You see that I have done some clearing. This one is an okra, so this one is good for me. I allow it, but you can see that I have cleared around my plant, and you see what I have done. I have cleared. When you clear like this before applying your fertilizer, it is very good and very beautiful, because the weed, there's no weed around your plant that can contribute to consume the nutrient which you are giving to your plant. So that is what we have done. We have cleared our farm. So the next thing I'm going to do, okay, this urine, let me teach you how to apply this product. So NPK, that is NPK, which is a nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. If you want to apply them, you look a plant that is almost to bear, at the edge of bearing. Those are the plants that you have to apply NPK under, like this. This one, we know that by at least 2 to 3 months, this one will bear. This one, I'm giving this plant 1 month to bear. This one is already at the bearing level. So these are the one that we are going to apply NPK under. Yes, so that it will help in the production of fruit. We have to apply NPK. Yeah. Those are the ones that we have to apply NPK under, so that it will help in the production of fruit. Then when we come to a younger plant that is still growing like this, we have to apply nitrogen, that is urine. Either we apply urine or we apply ura under. Those are those that we have to apply ura. This one that they are still young plant that they are growing. So when you apply ura will help them to grow up healthily. Those, you see, these are the size that I'm going to apply ura or urine under, so that it will help them to grow very powerfully. And if you are to apply it under passion fruit, you have to do the same thing. Any other product, any other tree plant that you want to apply. Now it is good to apply urea for them to grow very healthily. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any question to ask, then you can put your question in the comment section below. I would like you to tell me where you are watching me from. If you have any question, give your question. I will come and answer your question. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have understood whatever thing I have explained here. So I would like you to ask your question. Tell me where you are watching me from. Share this video to help other farmers outside there so that they will also know what to do. So I have not talked about the wood ash. This one, whenever you apply any of this fertilizer, then you can just take this wood ash and you sprinkle it around your plantains. This will also help any manure. If you have applied manure that is organic waste under your suckers, you can always use wood ash. You sprinkle it on that waste so that it will help the waste to digest very faster, to decay faster, and it will also strengthen the plant. So this one you apply under all your plants to keep your plants stronger and help your plants to protect your plants against diseases. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, then you can put it in the comment section below. So thank you guys. See you in my next video.